11 AM, Thursday the 14th of July. Start of the Food and Wine Festival today, so we're heading to Epcot.
Thank you so much. Alright, so you guys are gonna look at the phone first over here. And then right over here at my camera. Hi, buddy. Oh, good job. Awesome, you guys. Oh, you're giving kisses. He's looking at him.
Still lots of construction work going on. I think that's for the Moana section and the sea bit. We're just making our way round to the Nemo ride and into the seas. I think it's a 25-minute standby line, so that's not too bad. Kids have just met Pluto. It's the first time Noah has ever hugged a character, so absolutely chuffed with that.
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way. Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
Hi, I'm Dory. Now I'm thinking of something pink.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish.
Nemo! Why didn't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what I give for a little bite.
What is looking for you?
Thank you.
So we went for the smoked corned beef or flavours of fire for our first one. So she wants a garlic So we went to the new fry basket and got 2 of these with garlic aioli sauce and a fried flight. just been called the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. So here we go.
Worlds were born of a single point of matter and energy that lasted outward in
Did you jump then?
the Big Bang. And from nothing came the beginning of everything. Over the next 100 million years, space continued to expand, and the particles cooled and slowed.
We're a constant supply of energy.
Is one of our core principles. Our lush, exotic gardens are the envy of the galaxy, of the rest of the ship.
Belonging to the core is a
We were completely outnumbered. In the end, though, we were able to defeat the Rogue Creek. But we couldn't have done Peter Quill. What do you have to say about this?
Enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment.
So from Australia we went for the shrimp and you went at the lamb chop.
Do you want the picture?
They look lush, you know. So from here I've got the strawberry freeze and you went at the meatballs, which he's already taken into. So this is from Shimmer and Sips, and it is the guava mousse on a sugar cookie with coconut lime whip, and it looks and sounds amazing.
I'll get the pork rinds because it's a stamp on the cheese.
Ewan's got the pork rinds. Ewan. Paul had the grilled pork shoulder lettuce wrap with chard, corn, salsa, pickled onion. Just come into the Mexican pavilion, a little cool down. We've done a fair bit at the Food and Wine Festival so far. So now we're gonna just have a little mooch about here and go on the 3 Caballeros ride. I think Noah was over creating a sugar skull the last I saw him. Has he done it? Absolutely love this pavilion. Mickey Mouse? Yeah. Where?
There's a new character in the singing battles.
Oh, I thought you saw Mickey Mouse there. You going on the Grand Fiesta tour? Line's moving pretty quickly. Me and Paul are going to eat in there one day.
like Olaf. Well, you know, I think you should join Olaf on his next speech. Watch out for that. I'm a snow cone. He's such a silly snowman. Maybe I can ask him to bring extra pink lemonade so that you guys don't run out of pink lemonade. That sounds good.
We went to meet Anna and Elsa, and then we stopped at the bakery in Norway, and now we're in the middle of a thunderstorm. So we're all ponchoed up, other than Ewan, who's still eating big cookies. The plan, whoa, hear that thunder? The plan was to carry on going around the world eating, but I think we're going to try and go back now to the front, and we'll try and do some rides. Figment and Spaceship Earth were quite small standby lines, so we'll try and get on them on the indoors. Whoosh! God, look how lush we look. Nice and cool. Yeah. We look lovely. Paul's got a Coca-Cola one on from last time. And we just got... Where did you get these from, Mum? Boohoo Man. Oh, Boohoo Man. Just pop-up ones. They're alright. £2.50. £3.50 from Boohoo Man. Bargain. See that lightning? Kelly? Yeah.
Just change my shirt and wait for the rain.
Granny! Oh! Water over there. I like it. Christ! Cheesecake Factory. It was an hour's queue, so we've split the tables. But seriously, how are you meant to even choose which cheesecake you want? Look at them all.
I'm having carrot cake.
Carrot cake? I keep going back to that Cinnabon one. Cinnabon, cinnamon swirl cheesecake.
They got Reese's.
I know, or fresh banana cream cheesecake. Look at the cogs turning. For starters, we got the fried cheese, the tater tots, and the cheeseburger spring rolls. Mains are here. I had the Korean barbecue chicken. Paul had the combo, so the steak and Madeira chicken. Ewan had the burger, which is already tucked into, so you can wait. Reese had grilled cheese sandwich and fruit, very healthy. And Jovi had mac cheese. Turn around. Wow, look at that.
That's gonna sell me.